This one, it's a kind of it's a wild jasmine that is grows extensively in this west coast and western Ghats forests, like degraded forest edges and all. And I couldn't get the exact botanical name of this variety. Now, this jasmine is quite a large family with numerous variations, and this one, it has smooth, shiny, hairless leaves. Whereas most of the jasmines, they have a kind of a fuzz on the leaves. This one doesn't have that. And then leaves are also quite large. You can see the size of the leaves. Large leaves. And flowers are very fragrant and aromatic. And they fills the air with that fragrance. Then this one also has little fruits. After that flowering is over, these that little fruits are formed. I'll try to show one or two. See the little fruit, it becomes a little black kind of a berry finally, which I think birds are spreading it. And this jasmine is very hardy, it grows on its own. You can see this is a wild, this is abandoned kind of a site in the middle of the town. And it's very competitive plant. It can survive, grow through bushes and come out and flower. And it's quite a vigorous climber also, like goes and hangs down from trees and all. So this is one nice plant that can easily make it into garden edges and grown in city gardens, and extremely beautiful. And flowering is quite extended for almost a full month. Every day you will have fresh flowers blooming. So that's a little bit about this jasmine.